Raindrop falls softly on a lotus leaf. Gentle rhythm plays, nature's sweet relief. Water meets the green, whispers in the night. Every drop a dream, shining in the light. Drip, drip, down they go. Raindrop weaves a song. In the still of night, nature hums along. The lotus sways so light, holding liquid pearls. Nature's calm embrace in this tiny world. Ripples softly spread, echo in the pond. Each splash tells a tale, bonds of nature's bond. In the quiet rain, lotus leaf and drop, all the world's at peace, heartbeats never stop. Lotus sways so light, holding liquid pearls. Nature's calm embrace in this tiny world. Lotus sways so light, holding liquid pearls. Nature's calm embrace in this tiny world. Ripples softly spread, echo in the pond. Each splash tells a tale, bonds of nature's bond. In the quiet rain, lotus leaf and drop, all the world's at peace, heartbeats never stop.